going to show you my animal collection. And let's have some fun. Come on, let's do a play with our farm animals. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's look at my farm animal collection. See, we have a donkey. What does a donkey say? Ee-haw, ee-haw. And what does this goat say? Bah, bah, ah. This is mommy pig. What does mommy pig say? What does a daddy pig say? And what do these piglets say? Oh, look at this cute little lamb. And what does the lamb say? Meh, meh, meh. And what does the sheep say? It's a mommy sheep, so what do you know? It's bah, bah, bah. And this is a horse. So what does a horse say? Neigh, neigh, neigh. And what does this goose say? Remember? Okay, let me sing it. And what is this? A Dalmatian dog say. And what does this rooster say? And what? These are chicklings. So what do these chicklings say? And last of all, what do these cows say? Moo, moo, moo. Okay, let's arrange these animals. Ready? Where did these horses go? You're right, they go in the barnyard. Let's do it. Easy, horses. Easy. Okay. Now let's put them by one. 1, 2, and last of all is number 3. Hi, horsey. I'll give you some hay and water quickly, okay? You wait there. I'll give you in 1 minute. Wait, guys. I'm gonna get some water for the horses down the pond. Okay? Wait. Let's put these 2 mama cows and the 2 kids in the middle right here. Here. And finally here. Let's grab grass for the cows. I got some. And I'm putting it right here. Now let's arrange the pigs. What do pigs like the most? You're correct, muddy puddles. Let's put some real mud in the pretend mud, okay? Here. Okay, ready? Let's put these baby pigs in the muddy puddle. Come on, kids. Let's go. Come Looks like they're enjoying playing in the mud. Whoa, I didn't see this. Daddy Pig, let's play, okay? Okay, I'm gonna come in. 1, 2, 3, Rumble! Coink, 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 coink. Okay, who's next? Maybe these two. Okay, let's put them on the meadow right here. And time to feed them. Baby. And let's drink. Now let's do the rooster. Let's put them here so he could make the alarm sound and wake me up in the morning. Let's put these chicks next to him. Oh, why is there a pond here? Oh, now I understand. It's for the goose. Let's put the goose in the pond. Let's make it fly. And he comes back to the ground. Oh, goat, donkey, why are you staying here? Go to the feast with the cows and the sheep. Come on, let's go. Okay, Dion. Okay, Dion. Let's go. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Now we have the most important people in the farm. And this is the human, the owner of the farm also. And I'm going to name this guy Mr. Dion because this is my farm. And my name is Dion. And this is a Dalmatian dog. And he has 2 little dogs. Will help him guard the entire farm. Where do we put these guys? Oh, I know. The dog right here, and he is right here. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you something else. Wait, a harvester. Look, it will eat the crops and put it right here. Watch. See, it's going. Vroom, 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 vroom. Do you know how it could make noise if you press? See? And the lights up. And last of all, it's a big, humongous tractor. And the farmer and the dog are going to drive. Let's put them inside. Okay, now the dog is going to go right here in the back. And now let's drive. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oops. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe and like it. See you later. Bye.